in your compost?
Everything.
And should I eat it? Hi guys, hope you're well. No messing about today. This is the only compost video you're going to need to watch. It's the 2-hour compost bin. Right, first up, we're going to clear the area and get warm because it's freezing. Just wanted to show you this compost. This has been left for a year. No turning. It was leaves and sticks, so it's about 50-50 green and brown. Basically shredded sticks in the summer with lots of leaf, and look how it's gone. It's got a few big twiggy bits in there, but it's lovely. Anybody in the comments, can you identify this? And should I eat it? Right, so we've got our area cleared and we're ready to put the pallets in. So this is going to be a 2-bay compost bed, which will probably give about 2 tons a year, maybe a bit more, maybe a bit less, maybe a bit more, and that'd be plenty for what we're doing here, I think. Are you looking for a screw? That'll do. As you can see, 5 pallets, 2 bays, heaps of compost. So this one on the end runs up in line. This middle one runs up to the end of the one on the right. This one is joined to the end of the one on the right. And then to make it the same size, become an in one. Now you wouldn't necessarily need to do that, but the sheet of metal I've got for the roof, which is quite a standard size, is only so long. And it makes the 2 bays exactly the same size. As you can see, I haven't used many screws in this. I like to use 1 screw too few. You can actually do this without using any power tools. How? Join 2 cable ties together, wrap them around here and here, and pull them tight, they'll hold forever. Do that twice on every joint. So if you're using a metal roof like mine, get a hammer and nail, make a little hole in it, same again, thread the cable tie through and thread it and wrap it around one of the pallets. Or if you're using plastic, you can make a hole with it with a pair of scissors and do the same thing. Got an intentional lean on the roof, it's going to flow into there. We can put a little gutter on the end there. Okay, composting 101, 50-50 green and brown. Brown is twigs, woody material, carbon heavy material. Green is grass clippings, leaves, anything fresh and very green, not too woody, stalky, that sort of thing, goes a bit more brown. Obviously, nothing is one or the other. Some things, grass, depends how long you've left them. Long time, brown. Not very long, green and brown. Freshly cut grass, green. fill it up slowly. You can do that in layers, or you can do it before you put it in, so mixing it in a bucket or on the ground before and then putting it in mixed. It's an art and a science. Turn it once, 3 to 6 months. Turn it once from one bay to the next. Turning it, not essential. As you saw in that earlier bit, you don't need to turn it. It just makes it a little bit better and a little bit faster. But if you can't be bothered to turn it, no problem. You got it covered, it's well mixed and it's the right proportions, you're gonna have a good compost. What can you put in your compost? Everything. What can't you put in your compost? Nothing. Now you know how to compost. Let's fill up the compost bins. I was just moving the roof and we snapped the tree. Will it grow back? What do we think? Can you see that node there? We cut just above that. We've given it the best chance. What do you reckon? Gonna come back? I'm pretty hopeful for this little guy. Oh, we've got blank label there. I'm pretty hopeful. So there it is. So obviously they've not got fronts, and the question is, do you need them? Not necessarily. Are you going to put them on? Probably. Why? Because I'm filming it. Would you put them on if you weren't filming it? Probably not. So here's some kale that I got from the allotment today. I'm just going to chop the stems nice and short so they can be cooked more evenly. The rest of it I'm just going to chop rough, and I'm going to put that in a pan with some sea beet that I also got from the allotment today. Here's again unwashed sea beet. This stuff hasn't got thick stems, so I'm just going to chop it at random, nice and rough. And it's going to go into the hot pan with the kale. A little bit of garlic, a little bit of oil, you can have it on toast. There you can hear my cat. I think she wants some kale. She really wants some kale. Okay, so let's get in there. We've got some hot oil in there. Let's get in there with the greens. Right, have a look at that. Have a look in there. Jumping out. So just going to give this a quick fry, maybe just 2-3 minutes, very high heat, get the garlic going, lovely. How about this for some leaves you can grow all year round with zero effort off a few cuttings. They're starting to soften up now, nearly done. You'll be tasting it in a second, you'll be able to taste test. Check a bit of this on it, black pepper. Right, come taste this. What do you think, Sky?